Tattoo University. Today I'm going to talk about practice removal. Nick Durant here with Tattoo University. Today I'm going to talk about a practice you can do that will help you learn how to remove your gloves properly. And I've been thinking of a way that you could practice this and turn this into a experience that you can do physically that will help you remember how to take your gloves off. But first, I'm going to give a shout out to Maker Kobolinski. Hopefully I didn't mess that up too bad. Los Angeles, California. Because of our lovely coronavirus pandemic, we're seeing a lot of videos like this on Instagram. It's about washing your hands and how to wash your hands correctly. But I'm going to take this a step further, and I'm going to use this video to show you how to remove your gloves correctly. Pop over to Instagram and watch that video on how to wash your hands, and then come back to me, and I'm going to take that one step further and show you how to take off your gloves properly. This is printing ink. Anybody who does printmaking or lithography knows this is really nasty stuff, and it's really goopy. This is also time sensitive because it'll get goopy really fast. So I have to do this. Put a lot on there. I'm going to double up to show you how this is going to work. Don't be afraid. Okay. Now I'm going to pretend like I'm washing my hands the correct way. And if I do this properly, my whole hands should be covered with this printer's block ink, and my entire glove should be blue. This is how you should always wash your hands, and don't just put on gloves right before a tattoo and think you're good. You should always wash your hands before you put your gloves on, and dry your hands properly too. You don't want wet, nasty hands inside of the gloves. And you want to change the gloves out regularly after you've been wearing them for a little while, because actually wearing the gloves and your hands sweating will actually cause bacteria to grow even more. Okay, now we look like the blue man group here. We don't want any blue on our skin. For this to work properly, go out, grab a dog turd or do something really nasty, get it all over your gloves, and then try to get your gloves off without getting anything on your hands and on your skin. Like so. So I'm not touching the outside of the glove, I am just touching the inside of the glove. Voila. This gets disposed of. And there you go. That should be the result you're looking for. No blue, no paint, no oil, whatever you touched. No dog turds. Nothing on your hands once you take those gloves off. Okay, so on that note, everybody go out, get your bloodborne pathogens certificate. Learn as much as you can about tattooing. Tattoo safe, stay away from coronavirus, and have a good day.